Hey, friends, have you ever eaten pizza, ketchup, or spaghetti? Guess what? They all have one secret ingredient, it's tomatoes. But what's so special about them? Let's find out. A long time ago, tomatoes grew wild in South America. People in Mexico and Central America were the first to farm them. Then, Spanish explorers took tomatoes to Europe, and boom. Now, tomatoes are grown all over the world. Tomatoes are not just delicious, they are packed with essential nutrients that support overall health. Lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that reduces the risk of heart disease and certain cancers. Cooking tomatoes increases lycopene absorption. Vitamin C boosts immunity and promotes collagen production for healthy skin, essential for eye health and immune function. Potassium regulates blood pressure and supports muscle function. Fiber aids digestion and promotes gut health. Studies show that diets rich in tomatoes may lower the risk of prostate cancer, improve cardiovascular health, and support weight management due to their low-calorie content. From ancient civilizations to modern kitchens, tomatoes have truly shaped the world of food and nutrition. Whether you're enjoying them raw, cooked, or blended into a sauce, remember that every bite is packed with history and health benefits. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting food facts. See you next time.